Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a chocolate cake at home. You can make it for Friendship Day or Raksha Bandhan. You can make it for any occasion. I'm just telling Friendship Day and Raksha Bandhan as it is coming up soon. So without wasting time, let's begin.
Hello again, so as you can see here, I'm using biscuits to make this cake. You can use any biscuit, doesn't have to be the same which I'm using. Cut it into pieces and put it in mixer grinder and grind it for a few minutes so that you get a fine powder of it, as you can see in the video. Measure 2 cups of powder and add it in the mixer and add 1 cup of milk to it and blend for 30 seconds. Finally, you have this batter. After blending 1 cup of milk and 2 cups of biscuit powder, you have to add half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 cup of milk to it. Then mix it. Here is the final batter of the cake. Just see so that you get the same consistency. Then grease the mold with either ghee or oil. Once you have completely greased it, place a butter paper over it and again grease above the butter paper. Now add the cake batter over it. Once this is done, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. As you can see, you have to click on the convention and at 180 degrees Celsius, preheat it. Once it is preheated, stop it and take the cake batter, keep it in the microwave as you can see, and keep it for 40 minutes. Here your cake is ready after 40 minutes. Now let us decorate it. Not very complicated, you just have to add chocolate sauce as you can see, and at the sides chocolate pieces. I've used dark chocolate, you can use any chocolate, just grate it and put it at the sides. And I've used these candies or whatever you say to it. You can use anything, you can use gems at that place. And this is ready now.
Hello again, I hope you liked the recipe. If you liked it, do try it at home and let me know how was it. Also, you can use a cooker in place of oven. You don't have to have a micro oven at home for baking this cake. You can use a cooker in place of the mold. Grease the cooker and place the butter paper inside the cooker. Also grease above that again. And while baking, you have to keep a pan below the cooker. So first keep a flat pan and over that you keep the cooker and bake it for 40 minutes at low flame. And after that your cake will be ready. So do try it and let me know how was it. Also, if you don't have few ingredients at home, you can buy it online. I have given the links in the description below. You can buy it from there. So do prepare it and let me know how was it. Bye. If you like the video, please do hit on the like button below. And also please do share it with your friends and family. If you all are new to the channel, please do subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.